Hello everyone. How to force dark mode on every website in Microsoft Edge. In the address bar, type Edge, then add a colon, 2 slashes, and the word flags, and hit enter. Then type dark in the search flags field. The auto dark mode for web contents functionality appears. In the right drop-down menu, select the enabled option and then restart in the lower right corner. Edge now, as it says, automatically render all web contents using a dark theme on Mac, Windows, and Linux. A short explanation. There are two different types of dark mode. Normal or user interface dark mode only changes the appearance of Edge's interface. Pages that don't support dark mode remain in light mode. Forced dark mode forcibly darkens all websites, even those that don't have dark mode installed. This feature uses experimental flags. It's safe for normal browsing, but some websites may display incorrect colors or layout. If you're working with sensitive information like online banking, consider switching back to regular dark mode for maximum stability. And that's it. If this helped, let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and see you next time.